Hi, how are you? I'm Changki. Let's dive to the start menu. Do you sometimes feel uncomfortable with the suggestions appearing on the start menu while working on your computer? Let's remove show suggestion occasionally in start. This time, the suggestion items do not appear in the start menu. Let's see how to do it. Place the mouse on the desktop and right-click the mouse. Click Personalize. Settings pop-up window. Click Start on the left side. Is the Show Suggestion turned on in the Start menu? Sometimes among the items. Click to turn it off. Suggestions will no longer appear in the Start menu. So, this lecture ends here. So far, this has been Changki. Thank you.